is currently a lot of uncertainty amongst weather models on whether a tropical cyclone could be impacting Queensland through the next 7 to 10 days. Though this system at the moment is pretty disorganized and messy, and so that's really causing a lot of discrepancy and a widespread of disagreement amongst weather models on where exactly this system will go. Now, at least over the next week, it should be staying out at sea, possibly impacting the Solomon Islands, staying out in the Solomon Sea before then drifting south through to the Coral Sea. Now, at the moment, it is a pretty slow-moving system and should be staying out at sea at least for the next week, but it's then that next 7 to 10-day period where things start to get a little bit murky, especially as it looks to be interacting with another secondary low to the east of this system. Now, what does look more likely is that this system could be developing into a severe tropical cyclone through next week. And then there is the potential of this system starting to inch further west towards Queensland's coast towards the end of next week into next weekend. However, I absolutely must stress this is just one output of one weather model that does bring it towards the Queensland coast, and there's several other outcomes still at this stage. Now, it could be staying towards the west and skirting up towards the north of the Cape York Peninsula, staying out at sea, could make an NT landfall, or could be skirting towards the east and just staying out in the Coral Sea and not impacting any of mainland Australia. So certainly one to watch out for, as a lot could change over the next few days, and certainly things will start to line up over the next few days. But what does look more likely is the development of this system into a severe tropical cyclone. But where exactly it will go beyond that is still very uncertain, and we will be keeping a very close eye on this. Now, out towards the west in the Indian Ocean, there is also a tropical low brewing here. This has a much lower chance of developing into a tropical cyclone at this stage, and an even lower chance of impacting WA's coast, but certainly still one to watch out for, because it's not entirely out of the question, at least over the next 1 to 2 weeks, that the system might just move a little bit further east towards WA. But we'll be keeping you updated on all the latest.